Natabay ni number 20 na nawala number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 69. Number 69. Nagbababa ng bola. Naghanap ng papasahan. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Drive. No good. Naribol ni number 20. Corndog. Cornding. Paxson. Pass to. No good. Naribol. Pass to number 29. Pass to number 3. Back to number 29. Nawala bola. Nakakuha ni number. Oh. Number 6, pass to number 69. Bars. Goal for 3 points. Handog sa inyo ni Papa Dudu. Number 23, Trinidad. Pass to number 20, Paxson. Papawi. Goal for 3. Mainitan laban para tayo nasa Vulcan. 69. Pupukol, hindi. Pass to number 22. Jumper for 2. No good. Out of bounds. Fantasy ball. Number 23, Trinidad. Sasagasa. Nawala ang bola pero may foul. Who's foul? Mr. Rep. 69. Yun na. Nagkakaputang inahan na. Inbound number 1, pass to number 23, Trinidad, pass to number 29, Siliano, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. 14 to shoot, drive, no good, lumipad, parang nagila, ano pala, nakawan ni number 69, outlet pass kay number 22, pass to number 6, gumasak pero may traveling violation. Number 23, Trinidad, pass to number 1, Estrella, pass to number 20, nawala ang bola na open na number 20, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot, fires, in and out na rebound ni number. Pass to number 69. 69. Naghanap ng mapapasaan. Pass to number 22, jumper for 2, no good na rebound ni number 69, nawala ang bola. Ayun na, hinabol. Offensive foul. Offensive foul for number 69. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Estrella, binababa ang bola. Naghahanap ng kakampi, paso number 23, pull up for 2. No good na rebound number 29. Super pebang, no good pero may foul. Foul number. Foul number 4. 2 throws para number 29. First throw is no good. Last throw for number 29, Siliano, is pasok. 69 na ba na pagpapasaan? Tumira sa pagkalayo-layo. Out of nowhere. Fantasy ball.
Score 4-3, 1 point lead by Fantasy.
Estrella, pass to number 29, Siliano, sasagasa, naghanap ng mapapasaan, pass to number 3, naipit, pass to number 20, nalusot, good for 2, ay. Number 6, binababa ang bola, inaharas ng karamihan, pass to number 69, sasagasa, ayan, pinalo ang lamok, out of bounds, fantasy ball.
(6-3), 3-point lead by Fantasy.
Estrella, pass to number 29, Siliano, back to number 1, pass to number 23, Trinidad, fires, goal for 3. May nginig pa, may nginig.
9-3.
69, naghahanap ng mapapasahan, pass to number 22, pass to number 69, again number 69, drives, is no good, napulot ni number 20, pass to number 29, ayan na, foul number 6, blocking foul, first personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 shots for number 29, first, ang bilis. In and out rebound number 4. Wow! Number 69. Sasagasa. Pass to number 6. Oh! Pass to number 69 again. Pass to number 4. ball. Inbound number 29, pass to number 1, Estrella, pass to number 23, fires again for 3. Good for 3. Nakakatatlo ka na, JB Sukal. Matindig ang plangketa mo. Number 22, pull up for 2, no good, dari mo ni number 20. Pass to number 1, Estrella. Estrella, mukhang bibiyak na gitna. Pull up jumper is in and out na reboundin number. Sino ka?
15.
Number 15, pass to number 69, number 69. Sasagasa din. Ayun na, nagkanda dulas-dulas na. Traveling violation.
Maingay ka.
Number 29, no good, na-rebound na number 6, sasagasa, hindi pala, malayo pa. Number 69, umusan ng konti, uy! No good, na-rebound na number 20, Paxson.
Pass niya sa number 3.
Number 20, drives, is, foul number 20. 20 pala, hindi ko 20. First personal foul, second team foul. Oras po natin, 5 minutes and 9 seconds. First quarter, score po natin, 3-12 in favor of. Hulaan nyo. Pero sige, fantasy. Yung bench po natin, magkabilang team. Paalala lang, may penalty po yan, 7K. Number 88, pass to number, bagong salta. Number 7, pass to number 21 ka ba? Ano?
Number 4.
Mendoza, number 4, pass to number 11, pass to number 15. No good na rin mo ni number 11, foul rebound, Parumay. Out of bounds. Ugong ball. Puro sila lumilipad. Parang may mga buntot. Number 88, biniyak ang gitna, nawala ang bola. Tear up is no good, narimo ni number. Spider, 11 pass to number 12. Block! Pass to number 21, Kapalad. Pass to number 11, Pars for 3. No good na rebound ni. Napulot ni number 11, wala bola na ni number 11, number 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 4, Mendoza. Number 12, De La Cruz. Pass to number 21, Kapalad. Pull up is no good na rebound ni number 11. Pero may offensive foul. First personal foul, third team foul. Inbound number 17, pass to number 88, number 88. Number 88, mukhang pupulang tres. Hindi. Halip na wala bola na ako ni number. Sige. Good for 2 by number 8. Mendoza, binababa ang bola. Mendoza. Pass to number 13, pass to number 4. Back to good for 2 by number 11. Spider, Ma.
9-point lead.
Number 88. Pass to number 7, Rumaragasang balikat. No good na rin mo ni number 4, outlet pass kay number 21, Kapalad, Kabaro, pass to number 12. Boy, nabitin, pero may foul. Foul number 17, pushing foul. First personal foul, penalty. Uy. Allah! First throw is no good, na-distract. Shoutout nga po pala kay Bunso, inasa bubong. Hindi ba umaambon dyan? Bumaba ka dyan, bumaba. Pasok ang pangalawang pagbubuslo. Number 8. Pass to number 88. Fire for 3. Airball. Airball ba? Ay, shot ba? No good na rebound ni number 8. Naghahanap ng kakampi. Number 88. Number 88. Naghahanap ng mga pasneya. Drives. No good na rebound ni number 4. Mendoza. Mendoza. Outlet pass agad kay number 21. Number 21. Cabarro. Oy! 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 Spaghetti step. Number 88. Oy! Number 10. Number 12. Drive. No good na rebound ni number. Ayun na. Ayun na. Out of bounds. Same bow. Number 4, libre-libre. Alley-oop kay number 11. In and out na rebound ni number 12, Jake Huayca. Pass to number 21, pass to number 15. Drives. Goal for 2. Lumalayo na po ang lamang ng fantasy. Number 8. Halip kay number 0 na wala ang bola pero may out of bounds fantasy ball. Oras 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Number 4 pass to number 21. Kapalan. Back to number 4. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 12. Jake. 10 to shoot. Nawala yung Cuenca, no? No good na rebound ni number 15. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 11 is in and out na rebound ni Nino. Foul. Foul number 4. Number 4. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 88 pass to number 7. Mukhang pupukol. Hindi. Nasunod na ako ni number 88. Number 88. Number 88. Pass to number 0. Pinilit. No good. Pero may foul. Foul number 11. Hacking foul. Penalty. Second personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots. Tangin ang buhay ito. Second draw is good for 1. Tangin ang buhay ito. Tangin ang buhay ito. Number 4, Mendoza. Naghahanap ng pasneya. Pass to number 11, Spider. 15 seconds to shoot. Fires. No good. Nariwan ni number 8. Pass to number 88. 88 nagmamadali. Pass to number 8 again. Number 8 naghahanap ng mapapasahan pero may foul. Foul number 4. Blocking foul. Penalty. Second personal foul. Penalty. Tito Otit. Aray. Buti pa ilang mo kumakapit. Number 8 second throw is no good. Naribon ni number 11. Power rebound by Spider-Man. Gagamboy. Pass to number 4 Mendoza. Oras 1 minute and 7 seconds. Number 15. Sumukasa. Bang! Basket count may kasama pang Jollibee. Foul number 17. Hacking foul. Second personal foul. Penalty. Bonus stroke for number 15 is napulot ni number 11 na wala niyang naingay. Ay, inang! No good. No good. Out of bounds. Fantasy ball. Buhay nga naman. Number 12, Jake! Number 88, nagmamadali. Nawala ang bola. Napulot ni Nino. Number 8, ay number 0, Mark. Pass to number 7. Bali-bali. Basket count. May kasama ba? Ni Spaghetti. Foul number 20. First personal foul. Penalty. I-score po natin 11-19 in favor of Bacood. Ay, fantasy pala, fantasy. Number 12, Jake, pass to number 4. Number 4, Mendoza. Pass to number 11, Gagamboy. Drop pass kay number 15. Puta na ang inabot. Pero may foul. Number 4. Hacking foul. Number 4. Second personal foul. Tatlo na. Third personal foul. Then a penalty. Tatlo na, be. Ang buhay ng Ibis. First throw is no good. Ay. Pinabati ko nga po pala lahat ng mga nanonood sa bahay. Tatagan nyo. Second throw, napulo ni number 15. Paso number 11, Gagamboy. 30 seconds remaining. Number 11, sasalaksak, hindi. Paso number 4, Peke. Oy. Double dribble. Dami. 21 seconds. Number 88, nag-cool down. 10 seconds. Buzzer na lamang para mag-foul. Offensive. Timeout. Fantasy. Rep. 17. Sabi niya, tapos mo na yung mga basura, kuya. Seven seconds remaining in the first quarter. Jake, pass to number 21, pass to number 11, Gagamboy, drives, boom, tatake na abot na ni number 17. Buzzer na lang ang iyong maririnig. The first quarter. Score po natin 11-19 in favor of Fantasy.
The start of the second
Nilipat na po ang bahay.
sound period na 1911. 8-point lead by
Inbounds
Fantasy.
number 23, pass to number 1. Hindi sapat ang pag-a-announcer. Number 3, traveling. Number 869, pass to number. Who's that? Good for 3. Handog sa inyo na mga kababaihan natin. 11 or 21. Number 1, Estrella, pass to number 20. Paxson. Papawe. No good. Natapek. Nakawa ni number 23, Trinidad. 10 to shoot. Number 1, Estrella. Spaghetti move. No good. Na-rebound ni number. 13 seconds to shoot. Number 23, pass to number 1. Number 1. Pero, puro tayo traveling. Number 69. Naghahanap na mapapasahan. Pass to number 20. Pull up for 2. Good for 2. By Pacquiao. Ayan na. Number 23, Trinidad. Bibiyak na gitna. Kinaliwa. No good. Punta by number 20. No good pa rin. Na-rebound ni number 6. Power rebound. Ayan na. Inichang bola kay number 69. Number 69. Number 69. Mukhang diretso. Diniretso nga. Wala na. Rebound ni number 23. Trinidad. Napulot ang bola. Inichang number 20. Hindi nabutan masyadong malakas. Out of bounds. Bola ng mga nakasapatos. Time out. Pan muna, kakatok. May permission. Ay! Buhay, puta. Ang buhay nakakaputa. Mga manonood, kamusta kayo? Kumain na ba kayo? Ako hindi pa, 3 araw na. Number 69, Fires. Baldogis, napulot na yung number 29 ang bola. Number 29, Siliano.
Tumarang ka.
Sagasa, Air Beba. Ayan na. Out of nowhere. Ayan na. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Foul number 69, blocking foul. Third personal foul. First team foul. 17 seconds to shoot. Number 20, Cornbing. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 23, pull up for 2, no good. Out of nowhere. Bola ng mga nakapula, maroon, kung ano man yan.
21-16, 5-point lead by Panthers.
Ayan na, inichang bola ay number 20. Pacquiao, number 20, pass to number 69. Aya na nga, sinasabi ko, number 19. Boom, tatangin na abot, nakuha ni Pacquiao. Hoy! Go for 2 by Pacquiao.
The lead is down to 3, 21-18. Tatlo lang
Number 3,
inaabot.
naghahanap ng mga rabbit, pass to 15 to shoot. 23, pass to number 3. May foul. Who's foul, Mr. F? Foul number 11. Hacking. First personal foul. Second team foul. Ibisukal tumumbok. No good. Paibabaw. Ayan o. Sabi ko sa iyo eh. Kanang-kana. Number 69. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Aya. Pinasa sa labas. 14 to shoot. Number 69. Nawala ang bola. Napulot ni number 1. Estrella. Initsa ang bola. Nakuha ni number 3. Ni layup. No good. Napulot ni number 20. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni number 6. Pinasa ang bola kay number 20. Ayan na si Pacquiao. Pass to number 69. Number 69. Sasagasa. No good. Meron mo ni number 29. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 29. Ayan. Nanaglag na. Ayan ang sinasabi ko. Enough! Ay, enough! Bola na maglalabas. Number 20. Pacquiao titira sa malayo. Good for 3. Kanalagpuan lamang ng fantasy. Nag-iingay na ang mga hagoy.
1-point
Number
lead.
11. Icha sa ilalim. 14 to shoot. Number 29. Inap na pulot ni number 69 ang bola. Number 69. Ayan na. Nawala ang bola. Paso number 11. Number 11. Nawala na ang bola. Paso number 19. Ayan. Icha ang bola. Wow! 4-2.
Change favor.
4 na po tayo. Lamang na po ng isa ang Ugong. 23-22.
23-22.
Oras, 6 minutes, eksakto, 15 to shoot, number 20 babawi.
Lamang na
no good,
ugong ng 1 point.
Biko. Number 69, drive is goal for 2. Lumalayo.
3-point lead by Ugong.
Number 1, sumakasa, pero may foul. Who's foul, Mr. F? Foul number 20, number 20. First personal foul. Third team foul. Ang init, punyeta. Inbound number 29, pass to number 20, nawala ang bola. Ayan na. Ay, nako. 11 seconds to shoot.
In the middle of second period, 25-22.
Buzzer.
3-point lead.
Oh, yung mga motor niyo, kung nakaharang doon, pakilihis. Yung mga motor ninyo, kung nakaharang doon, pakilihis.
3-point lead by Ugong na tayo. 5:39 in the second
Daw,
period.
tinangay ng pusa. At,
Low.
ang laki mo daw. 03, 8 to shoot. Number 23, good for 3.
Deadlock, 25.
25. Deadlock 25. Ang ganda ng laban. Mainit ang laban. Sino kaya ang bibitaw? Pero hindi ako yon. Number 20, Pacquiao, papawi. Mandatory timeout. Palit 5, palit 5. Palit hero. Traffic. Patrick. Patrick, tara daw dito, sabi ni Angela. Ang kulit. Ang laki mo daw dyan, sabi ni Angela. Si Pintura ba yun? Sino ba yun?
Facing the Giants ang Ugong. Ang lalaki ng fantasy.
Ko lang eh. Number 4, pass to number 15. Wala bola na bola ni number 88, number 88. Masyado malakas. Put back, no good pa rin. Nakawa ni number 88. Put back again is good for 2.
27-25, 2-point lead by Ugong.
Uy. Sino na yan? Number 11, pull up jumper is no good. No good. Number 88, nagdi-dribble. Ang pagdi-dribble daw ay parang pag-move on. Then trusty natalbog. Good for 3.
30-25, 5 points na ang lamang ng Ugong.
Number 25, Japik. Dapat kay number 15 na wala bola. Nakuha ni number 88. Number 88, nagmamadali. Abutin kaya ng dalawang numero ang lamang. Tunay rin. No good. Maribon ni number 7. Good for 2.
30-25, 7 points.
Pass to number 21, Kapalad. Pass to number 25, Pupukol. Hindi. Teardrop is good for 2 by Pugal.
30-27, 5-point lead by Ugong.
Didikit o lalaki. Number 88, naghahanap ng hagon. Pass to number 88. Jumper for 3. No good. Airball. Inuulit ko mga kabayan. Mamaya na. Number 4, pass to number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 4 again. Fires. Goal for 3.
32-30, 2 points na lang.
Dalawa na lang po ang lamang ng Ugong. Ina-acid na naman ako. Number 0. Pull up jumper is good for 2. Rigay. Ang mga chikiting nare. Pass to number 21, pass to number 15, pass to number 25, Pugal, Pupukol. Hindi, 14 to shoot. Nag-iisip ng gagawin. Ayan, ginawa na nga. Sino na ba siya? Nawala ang bola na ako ni number 88. Number 88, umikot. Parang trumpo. Lumiko. Sumigsag. Pass to number 7. Libre. Good for 2. Ala, binalian.
36-30, 6 points ang inaabot
Number
ng fantasy.
25, Pugal. Nag-iisip ng gagawin. Pass to number 11. Seconds to shoot. Gumasak. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha pa rin niya. Pass to number 21. Kapalat. Shoot. Who's foul, Mr. Rep? Foul number 22. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Walang sub. Wala tayong substitution. Number 4 pass to number 21. Fires. No good. Dari ba ni number 88? Number 88. Number number 88, sasagasa, karagasa, spaghetti moves, no good, na-rebound ni number 25, nakuha ni number 38, paso number 0, Mark, no good, pero may foul number 25, hacking foul, first personal foul, first team foul, time out daw to, pag na-shoot. Wala timeout. Wala daw timeout ang fantasy. Timeout. Timeout. Ugong. I-score po natin 37-30 in favor of Ugong. Oras 1 minute and 59 seconds. Ala siya! Ala! Anak anak! Ay inang! Umuulan eh. Palakang kabakab. Palakang bato. Back to the ball game. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 shoot. Number 7 nag-iisip ng gagawin. Pinasa lang. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 7 is good. Good. Ang ganda, wala na. Uy, iwan pati biola. Number 4, Mendoza. Gigil na gigil. Pass to number 25. Layabes. No good. Anak ka nang. Nasunod na number 25. Napakasipag. Parang naka-energen. Oh. Traveling violation. Yes. Number 88, pass to number 0. Tumalon, lumundag, bumali, nawala, nakakuha ni number 4, Mendoza. Pass to number 12, De La Cruz. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 21, wala ang bola. 10 seconds to shoot. 1 minute to play. Good for 2 by number 11. Hello!
5 points ang lamang ng Ugong.
45 seconds remaining for second quarter. Putback is no good. Napulot ni number 22. Paso number 0. Butata. Paso lang pala. Paso number 11. Paso number 4. Sige, 30 tayo. 30.
Ang bilis ng Ugong.
30 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Fires for 3. No good. Power rebound ni number 25. Pero wala na ako ni number 0. 20 seconds. Number 88. Gumasa. Biniyak. Yes, no good. Put back. No good pa rin. Pero may foul. Who's foul, Mr. Rep? Foul number 88. Penalty. First personal foul. The penalty. Inuulit ko yung bata sa bubong. Maaari ka na pong bumaba. Delikado dyan. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Pangalawang pagbubuslo ni Jake Cuenca. Pasok!
4 ang lamang.
Passer na lamang ang imong maririnig. Good for 2. Ituloy mo lang ang laban. And Daungan.
39-33, 6 points ang kalamangan ng Ugong. At the end of the first half.
Back to the ball game. Yung ano? Yung bahay, ilipat na yung bahay. Okay na. Marami ang mga manonood, hindi inabangan ang pagbaril kay David. Ayun na, umaandar ah. Ayan o, number 20, Paxson, outlet pass kay number 29! Number 29! Oy! Delikado yun. Unsportsman. Unsportsmanlike foul for number 4. Is
Sportsmanlike foul, jersey number 4. Area 3. Remains ha. 2 shots, ball position.
unsportsman foul for number 4 and rest for the rest of 3 minutes. Pahinga ka muna ng 3 minuto. Na-shoot ang unang pagsusubo. Pangalawang pagsusubo.
39-35.
Ina nyo.
Papasa
Ball
apat.
possession
Pasok ni
ng
Kuya.
Ang
Fantasy.
inaabol ng
Hindi ito na
fantasy.
ipasok. Ipasok mo ito sa akin.
Number 11, Gagamboi. Pass to number 29. Bounce pass kay number 25. Wala bola napulot ni number 6. Ay, hindi pala si number 6 yun. Kumukha lang. Number 69 to number 50. Goal for 2.
41-35. 6 points.
Onon! Napasok ni Kuya.
Ayan na! Pacquiao nagmamadali. Pass to number 8, pass to number 20. Ayan, binagsa ng karamihan. Nawala ang bola na pulot ni number 29. Number 29, pass to number... Bulaga ka dyan! Number 6, drives. Offensive foul. Number 6, second personal foul. First team foul.
Pero ang galing nyo, grabe. Amazing.
Si number 4. Number 4. Nawala ang bola na pulot ni Pacquiao. Pass to number 69. Number 69. Isagasa mo, bebe. No good na rin ni number 20. Cornbing. Out of bounds. Ugong ball.
41-35 pa rin, 6
Ay,
points.
third na ba? Ay. For correction po, third personal foul na po pala ni number 6. Number 69. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 20. Pacquiao. No good na rin ni number 4. Simple. Pass to number 25. Pugal. Ayan, binali-bali. Oy!
41-37.
Number
apat.
29. Ay, 69. Number 69. Drives. Good for 2. Pass to number 29. Siliano. Pebang. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 25. Pugal. 10 to shoot. Number 29. Pupukol sa malayo. Hindi. Back to number 25. 5 to shoot. Number 25. Foul number 20. Number 20. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Inbound number 29, pass to number 4, fires. No No good na rin number 15. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 69. Number 69. Nagdi-dribble. Ang pagdi-dribble daw ay parang pag-move on. Mentras tinatalbog. Ano? Number 69. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 5 to shoot. Pull up is no good. Napulot ni number 11. Uy. Reserve substitution. Number 25. Pass to number 11. Bernabe. Pupukol sa malayo. No good. Na-rebound ni number 20. Pacquiao. Pass to number 69. Ano apelido niya? Prestosa, no? Good for 2 by number 69. Prestosa.
8-point lead
Hindi ko mabasa.
by Ugong. 45-37.
Number 4. Pass to number 29. Sasagasa. Foul number 8. Hating foul. Substitution, Mr. Rep. Labas ang lalabas. Pasok ang papasok. First personal foul for number 8. Warning for penalty. Number 23 nakatabak. Good for 2. Namukha mo.
5 points.
Number 6. Tulang. Number 8. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 6. Pull up. No good. Put back. No good. Nabuwalot ni Pacquiao. Umapercut. No good. Naribon ni number 69. 8 to shoot. Number 6. Fake. Nawala ang bola. Oh. 5 to shoot. Oh. Ayan na. Nagkalituhan na nga. Traveling violation. Reserve substitution. Number 1, pull up for 2. Ayan, pinasa kay Mr. Rep. Substitution. Labas ang lalabas, pasok ang papasok. Bakit hindi umandar? Number 20, Pacquiao, pass to number 6, pass to number 8, bali mode, no good, natapik ni number 1 to number 20, Pacquiao. Good for 2 by 1-2. 1-2 combination, ayan na, sige ka, dong. Oy. Foul number 8. Number 8, blocking foul, second personal foul, penalty.
8 yung kalamangan.
Nabigay na.
39.
Wala nga, nabigay na. Ikaw na. Pasok na daw, pasok na. Kumakain kasi tiga pindot eh. Sinasabi ko, namukha mo. Second throw is good.
7-point lead.
Oras, 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Score po natin 47-40 in favor of Ugong. Outlet pass to number 23. Renz. Abandonado.
Down to 5-point lead.
Number 29 warning for delaying the game. Ay, 23. Number 23 warning for delaying the game. Aww. Lima na lang po ang kalamangan ng Ugong. Number 88, drives is good for 2 sa napakasimpleng galaw. Oy, ayan. Pwersahin mo dong, pwersahin. Number 23, pass to number 29, umikot. Good for 2. Pagod ka na ba sa iyong buhay?
5-point lead. 49-44.
sige na. Meron ba? Sige. Reserve substitution nakuha ni Paxson. Paxson. Foul. Foul number 4. Third personal foul. The penalty. Kain ka kasi ng kain eh. Kaya naghahanap ka na ng tubig eh. Tignan mo, ikukuskus yung ketchup sa damit. Second throw is no good. Pangalawang pagsubo. Pasok. Alam.
Down to 4 points yung hinahabol ng Fantasy.
Bumaba ng apat ang kalamangan ng Ugong. Number 69, pumukol sa pagkalayo-layo. 1, 2, 3. Balik pito ang kalamangan ng Ugong. Number 3, pass to number 21, Pass to number 23, block na rebound ni number 4 pero may foul. Foul number 23. First personal foul. Second team foul.
52-45. 7 points ang hinahabol ng Fantasy.
Number 69, pass to number 88. Fires. Shorty, na-rebound ni number 20. Out of bounds, Fantasy ball. Nandun pala yung team foul. Number 29, Siliano. Pass to number 21, Kapalad. Babawi sa 3. No good. Na-rebound ni number 4. Power rebound by Super Mario. Nakuha ni number 88. Pass to number 69. Pass to number 20, Pacquiao. 1-2. Combination is no good. Pass to number 20, Paxson. Combi. Drive is good. For 2. Balik 5 ang kalamangan ng Ugong. Oras, 3 minuto at 40 segundo. Good for 3! 1-2
Yow,
and uppercut combination by Pacquiao.
55-47. 8 points.
Papawi! Good for 3!
50-55.
Mainit na ang laban, mainit. Pati kami pinagpapawisan. Punyeta. Pass! Goal! 4-3! Sobrang init. Punyeta. Number 21, Kapalad.
Back to 8
Naghahanap
point
ng
lead.
pababawiin. Paso number 23, Papawi! No good na rin mo ni number 69, Prestosa. Chest pass to number 88, no good na rin mo ni number 21. Wala ang bola na ako ni number 20, pero may foul number. Timeout, Fantasy.
50-58. 8 points ang hinahabol ng
First
Fantasy.
personal foul, third team foul. Punyet ang buhay to. Back to the ball game.
50.
Oras, 2 minutes and 48 seconds. In the third quarter, score po natin 50-58 in favor of Ugong. 8-point lead. Number 88, pass to number 4, Super. Oh, ha? Gumawa ng himala. Oh. Ay. Injury timeout. Ayan, naku po. Hirap niyan. Yan pa naman ang pinakamasarap na bagay sa buong mundo. Number 25, pass to number 12, back to number 25. Pass to number 4, Mendoza. Back to number 25, number 25, Pugal. Pass to number 20, na wala ang bola na. Ni number 4, Super Mario. Attack pass to number 20, Pacquiao. Pacquiao. 1-2, combi is good.
Amazing.
Lumalayo na naman po ang kalamangan ng Ugong. Paligsampok.
60 to 50.
15 to shoot. Pass to number 4, pass to number 25. Umikot-ikot. Ayan, naluko. Naluko lang naluko. Ayan na nga. Out of bounds, Ugong ball. Sarap ng burger ni Kuya George. Bumili kayo. Damay niyo ako. No good. Dari mo ni number. Number 4, Mendoza. Pass to number 12, De La Cruz. Back to number 4. Nawala ang bola. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 20. Andres. Good for 2. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
60,
Prestosa nag-iisip ng gagawin.
8
Pagpasa
points.
lang ang naisip niya. Number 88. Pass to number. Natabi ko number 20. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Naku. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 20. Paxson. No good pero may foul. Foul number 4. Number 4. Warning for graduate. The penalty. The penalty. Good for 1. Paxson.
53-60. 7
Number
points.
4, Super. Layup is no good na rin ni number 0. 10 to shoot. Nakawa ni number 20. Nakawa ng Candy. Paxson. Kaya umikot. Uy. Iwan pati ang foul. Foul number 4. Number 4. Gradway. Ay, ito ba, Paul? 4. Rep, who's foul? Rep. 4 o 88? 4. 4 nga. Ano ba? 4. Graduate na, graduate. Ah, 88. Oh, sige po, 88 daw ang foul. Second personal foul for number 88. The penalty. Yung number 4, warning pa lang. Warning for graduate. Sorry po. Tao lang.
$60-54. 6 points ang inaabol ng Fantasy.
35 seconds remaining. Number 25, Pugal. Dapat kay number 20. Number 20, naipit. 10 seconds to shoot. Pull-up jumper is no good. Naribo ni number 12. Pero may foul. Foul number 69. Number 69. Number 69. Warning for graduate. T-penalty. T-penalty. Twenty-four seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Nawala bola na number 25. Number 25 ay 10 seconds. Nawala ang bola ulit. 5 seconds. Good for 2. End of the third quarter. Score po natin 60-58. Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng Ugong. Back to the fucking ball game. It's final quarter. Tananinin. Number 11, Gagamboy. Dumikit ng konti. 15 to shoot to number 4, fires. Is no good pero may foul. Foul. Foul number 6. Number 6, warning for graduate. Apat na po tayo. Meron po tayong official. Namukha mo. Ayan, nalaglag. Out of bounds, Ugong. Salamat. No good na rebound din number 23. Paso number 25. Number 25. Nagmamadali. Paso number 11. Gagamboy. Leones. Good for 2. Deadlock. 60. Lamang na po ang may alam.
Deadlock 60.
Kaya nga, lamang ang may alam. Sino ba ang may alam? Hindi natin alam, di ba? Jump ball. It's a same ball. Nilibat na po ang bahay. To shoot. 8 to shoot. Ano yun? Foul number 11, pushing foul. Number 11, third personal foul, first team foul. Iya. Ala. Number 6, Ugong. Number 29, Ciliano. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 23. Back to number 4. Pass to number 29. Number 29. Drives is in and out. Naribon ni number 7. Number 7. Nawawala bola. Nahuli number 20. Nahuli number 25. Number 25. Pugal. Pass to number 29 is good for 2. Reserve timeout for Ugong. Dead ball. Reserve timeout for Ugong na makakakuha ni number 4. Number 4. Mendoza. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 29. No good na rin po ni number 88. Number 88. Pinabuka ang bola. Number 88. Drives is no good. Na rin po ni number 23. Trinidad. Inagawa ng karamihan. Pass to number 11. Gagampol. Number 11, Gagapoy, diretso na. Layo nung tinawid ko na yun eh. Akin na to. Oh. Offensive foul number 0. Time out! Hoy, Captain Ball ng Ugong, Captain Ball ng Ugong. Number 17, wala pong ibang ano. Captain Ball lang po ang pwedeng kumausap. Dito, Captain Ball, sa taas. Captain Ball, inuulit ko po yung Captain Ball. Captain Ball ang magkabilang team. Captain Ball ng magkabilang team. Tatapos. Magagalit si Papa Dudut. Captain Ball tsaka coach. Pumalik. No. Captain Ball po ng Ugong. Ugong, Captain Ball niyo po as coach. Captain Ball po ng Ugong. Wala akong sa ayaw makinig eh. Makikisuyo lang po, makikisuyo. Captain Ball. Po. Sige po. Kanino bola? Santa Cruz o Pritil? Tuktukan bola tayo. Hoy, panood ako. Hoy.
Offensive eh.
Nakas. Number 29, Brown, it is no good. Napulot na number 29, pero wala bola, pero may bang hatolis. Ang hatolis, same. Inbound number 11, pass to number 23, pass to number 4, Mendoza, back to number 23, Pars. No good, napulot ni number 25 ang bola, nasundutan ako pa rin number 25. Patundut! Foul number 0. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ang nilakas. Inbound number 29, pass to number 25, Pugal, pass to number 4, Mendoza, fires. In and out na rebound ni number 17, pass to number 88, number 88. Napilido, hindi ko alam. Number 20, Pacquiao, 1-2 contact. Combination! Putback! No good! Number 10! Number 25, Pugal! Binababa po! Hello, hello, hello. Maupo po tayo, maupo. Offensive for number 4. Substitution, Mr. Rep. Number 11, ano? Number 4. Number 4. Warning for graduate. Second team foul. Number 88, binababa ang bola sa malumanay na paraan. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Paso number 7, back to number 88. Number 88, naghahanap na naman ng mapapasahan. Hinaharap si number 20. Wala mo lang ako ni number 23. JB, Sinargo, good for 2. Number 17, wala mo lang ako ni number 17. Wala mo ni number 20, paso number 23, Trinidad. Wala mo lang ako ni number 23, paso number 29, Siliano, rumagasa. Pero may. Traveling, aray. Traveling class. Talipok. Injury timeout. Sige, take rest. Rest well. I-score po natin 60-64 in favor of Fantasy. Oras 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Aray, never in my life have I been more sure. Sana matanggap mo yung sorry ko.
64-60, apat ang kalamangan ng Fantasy.
Ayokong panggitin. Baka marinig din eh. Number 0, ayan na, nagsisigaw ng crowd. No good. Nari mo din number 0, po pakis no good pa rin, pero may foul number 12. Fucking foul. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Doon nga pala.
Bubasa 3 ang kalamangan ng Fantasy.
Number 25, binababa ang bola.
64-61.
Pass to number 20, Paxson, gagawa ng himala. No good na rebound ni number 0, pass to number 88, nagmamadali, nasundutan na, kuha ni JB, 2-on-1 play, pass to number 4, binaba pa, pinasa pa, and good for 2.
66-61, 5 points na ang lamang ng Fantasy.
Number 20, Pacquiao nag-iisip ng gagawin. Pass to number 0. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to number 20. Pacquiao na wala ang bola, nakuha nino. Jump ball. Fantasy ball. Ayan, nalipat na po yung bahay. Never in my life have I been more sure. Number 4, pass to number 12. Jake, pass to number 20. Pull up pace. In and out na rebound in number 7. Pass to number 88. Gagawa ng himala. Number 88. Bali, no good na rebound is put back. Good for 2 by number 7. Number 20, Paxson. Pass to number 4, Mendoza. Yes. 8 seconds to shoot. Fires for 3. In and out na rebound ni number 20. Putback is. Bago pa rin na rebound ni number 0. Pass to number 17. To number 18. Go for 2. Time out.
point lead na lang ang inaabol ng Ugong. 65-66.
Minutes na lang po ang inyong timeout. At sa Ugong naman po ay dalawa pa. Yung isa under 2 minutes. Back to the intense ball game. Number 11 nag-iisip ng gagawin. Pass to number 12, Jake. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 4, pass to number 11, fires. Good for 3. Napapataas ng kamay si Miss. Papawi ng 3 si number 18. Pawi. Mainit na mainit ang laban. Mainit, sobrang init. Nakahawak pa si JR, parang mawawala. Number 25. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 fires for 3. No good na rebound ni number 22. Pass to number 0, number 0. Whoop. Pass to Pacquiao. Pass to number 0. Drives. Good for 2.
Chase Paybor.
Ugong.
Chase Paybor.
70-69. 1 point lead by Ugong. 3 minutes and 15 seconds to play in the final quarter. 8 seconds to shoot. Pull up and goal for 2.
Chase Paybor, yung mga fantasy
Nakakahilo ang init.
ng isa, 71-70.
Gumaganda ang laban, parang OKC at Pacers. Ayan na, nasundutan. Nawala na. Ayan na. 5 seconds to shoot. Good, good. Number 20 daw. Number 20. Third personal foul. The penalty. Under 2 minutes, Papi. First throw is good. 2 point lead by Fantasy. 70-72. Number 22 na wala ang bola. Nakakuha ni number. Pero may foul. Foul number 12. Third personal foul. Warning for the penalty. Jake Cuenca. Number 88, fake. Nawala, nalaglag, nahuli, nakulong. Ala, hige. 20 pass to number 88. Nawala na ni number 12, number 12. Ano ba yun? Sino ba yun? Number 4, Mendoza. Nawala, nakakuha ni number 0, number 0. Pass to number 69, Prestosa. Pass to number 20. Fake. Ayun na, nakuha na ng bola, nakuha na ng candy. Last 2 minutes. Sino? Ugong. Reserve timeout. 10 seconds to shoot. Reserve timeout, Ugong. 5 seconds. No good pa rin. Putback is no good pa rin. Napulot ni number 69. Pinababa ang bola. Inaharas ng karamihan. Ayan, sasaputan. Hindi. No good. Na rebound ni number 22. putback is no good pa rin na wala ang bola. Ayan na nga sinasabi. Huwag na kasing ganunin. Para kang papasok sa gate nila, boss, di eh. Time out! Ugong! Parang nasasakyan eh. Ugong! Oras, 1 minute and 26 seconds to play. Number 4 pass to number 88. 10 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Number 4 Mendoza. Pass to number 11. 12 seconds to shoot. Mendoza naghanap ng papasahan. Pass to number 25. Pugal. 8 seconds to shoot. Pugal. Naipit. Pinilit. No good. Na-rebound ni. Napulot ni. Nakakuha ni number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. 50 seconds to play. 5 seconds to shoot. Fires for 3. No good. Napulot ni number 11. Putback is no good. Nakakuha ni. Wala na. Wala na. 24 seconds, shot clock, violation. Toto. Time out. Ugong. Wala nang time out ang Ugong. Ubus na mag-avail sa akin. Meron ako sa bulsa. Okay na, isang ganun lang. Back to the ball game. Oras. Hoy, teka lang. Sasabihin ko muna yung oras. 42 seconds to play in the final quarter. Intense ang laban. Namirme sa dalawa ang lamang ng fantasy. Number 88, gagawa ng paraan, gagawa ng himala. Pass to number 0. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 0, naipit sa tadhana. Number 88. 5. 24 seconds. Shot clock. Oy. 24 seconds. Shot clock. Violation. Oras. 26 seconds. 26. Number 25. Binababa ang bola sa madaling paraan. 20 seconds. Nasundutan mga kuha ni number 88. 15 to shoot. Good for goal. Fantasy. Oras po natin. 13 seconds. 13. Deadlock 72. Nangangamay. Sino? Lamang ang may alam. Lamang ang may alam. Hello. Deadlock 72.
13.2 seconds, 72. All 72.
Seconds. Sino kaya ang magwawagi? Sino kaya ang nakakaalam kung sino ang mananalo? ibulong mo sa akin. Sino na ang nakapanaginip nito? Ayan na, nakapanaginip! Number 4! 10, 8 seconds!
Oh!
End of the... OT, 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 OT. 150!